Hello everyone, welcome back to Owen's Treats. Today we'll be making peanut butter squares. We have our ingredients here. Half a cup of smooth peanut butter, 1/3 cup of softened butter, 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Sprinkles, these are optional. I have them in yellow, green, and purple for Mardi Gras Day. 1 8-ounce bag of mini chocolate chips, 1/4 a cup of light brown sugar, 1 cup of regular white sugar, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 8 by 8 or 9 by 9 pan that I'm going to grease, and that's where we're going to put our bars into. First step, we're going to combine our peanut butter and our butter. We're going to whisk it together, and then we're going to gradually add our sugar, and then our eggs and our vanilla. And with that, we have our 2 eggs, have our white sugar, and we're going to do gradually at a time, and then our brown sugar with 1 punch. It should become a nice light mixture, and it should be a little bit harder to go through with the whisk after you're done. So now that we have our wet ingredients in, we're going to move on to our dry ingredients. So we have our salt and our baking powder. So then we have our flour. And we're going to do this at increments of time, just like we already did our sugar, because you don't want flour going everywhere. And I'm going to add in our 1 teaspoon baking powder, and we want 1/2 teaspoon of salt. And then on our last increment of flour, we're going to add in our chocolate chips and our optional sprinkles. You want to add a whole bag of 8 ounce. And then we're going to add in our sprinkles. So now that we have our mixture and our batter all combined, we're going to take in 8 by 8 or 9 by 8, depending on what you have, pan, whatever you're most comfortable with. And you do want to heavily grease it because we're not using parchment paper for this. So we're just going to scrape our batter into our pan. But then we're going to press in our dough. And once you've got your dough in, I'm going to add in a little bit of our sprinkles. And then you just want to use the back of your hand and press them in, sprinkles or chocolate chips. And so now that you have your wonderful cookie mixture in, we have our oven preheating at 350, and then we're going to bake these for 30 to 35 minutes. And here are our finished peanut butter square cookies, or I guess kind of brownies in a sense. So here they are out of the oven. They look amazing. And I already got 1 serving out for myself. Thank you guys so much for joining me in another one of my episodes.